a little mistake here, but it's not really much. So let's just close this. Like in modeling of our slab, we used slab 1. Like we didn't change the property of the slab to suit this 180 mm slab that we created. We used slab 1. So we are going to change this slab, that's slab 1, to the 180 mm slab. So I'm just going to close this and just tap escape. So first of all, I have to select the slab, select slab sections, and I'm going to select this slab 1, select. So I'm going to like change this slab 1 into my 180 mm slab. So just in case you are doing your modeling and you make a mistake by using a different property for modeling that member, there's a quite faster approach you can use other than just erasing all these and just changing them. So I'm just going to select each and every one of those slab 1, and I'm just going to assign frame, shell, and slab sections. So I'm now going to change all these highlighted slabs into my 180 mm. At the start we were supposed to make it 180, but we didn't really see that. So you have to make sure your property, that bar that comes here, you should make sure your property is your 180 mm slab you are working with. So 180 mm slab, then apply, then okay. So now our slab 1 has all turned into the 180 mm slab. So now we can just go to select property, slab sections, and my 180 mm I'm going to select, and everything is just going to select, including the staircase. So with the first selection, you could see that it just selected the staircase but left this one. That means only our staircase was the 180 mm slab, and these slabs, the level slabs, were all slab 1. So this is a much faster approach for you to change anything. So if it's a column or a beam that you made a mistake using a different property, you can just do that and just change them to like the specific section you are supposed to use.